Para você que gosta de inovação em tecnologia, a montadora Ford está desenvolvendo um protótipo de máquinas que molda peças metálicas complexas a partir de uma chapa simples metálica. A Ford sugere que esse novo método poderá revolucionar o processo de produção e personalizar carros e ainda mais baratear os custos e agilizar absurdamente os prazos de entrega. Essa tecnologia, chamada de F3T, pode facilmente ser estendida a diversas áreas da indústria e ser capaz de produzir em 3 dias o que em métodos convencionais levariam em média 4 meses para serem executados. Veja o vídeo.
Product development at various stages is always looking to make sheet metal parts. So in the old traditional method, you would go to a tool and die shop and make a prototype die. From the prototype die, you stamp a prototype part. You can be talking 6 to 8 weeks if you want to make a prototype die, but you're really talking about weeks versus hours, and that's the fundamental differences.
F3T stands for Ford Freeform Fabrication Technology.
The unique thing about the F3T process is you can actually take a two-dimensional sheet, get a CAD file from the design and release engineer,
and then we have the capabilities to take that CAD
and use computer programming to generate a toolpath which you send this to a robot, and the robot will control the machine.
The program is ready, we load the sheet into the machine and we let it run.
And the stylus will come in and form a 3-dimensional part from a 2-dimensional sheet.
And we can actually do this overnight.
Can you imagine handing the part to the design and release engineer in a matter of hours or a day instead of him or her having to wait 2 to 3 weeks or 6 weeks for an actual part? It really represents advanced manufacturing. It's never been done before. We've been stamping sheet metal for well over 100 years. This is the next generation. The ultimate goal is, can you make this fast enough to stamp high volume parts? That's a long way off. But I think, well, obvious advantages within Ford is we can use for low volume prototyping and even low volume niche vehicles. So whether it's automotive, transportation, or even the military, this is a very unique process for making sheet metal parts.
What excites me most about this technology is the team has gotten together, taken an initial concept, they progressed the technology, now we're between research and implementation, and the next phase is we go forward to afford us the chance to evaluate it as a true manufacturing technology that we could utilize in our plants and our shops globally.
The coolest thing about this technology, it exists in one place, Ford Motor Company.